wow. Wow, that looks all huge and everything. Hello from Sooki and Mimi.
And Kim's third restaurant on 31st and Hennepin.
We got, to start, we got the tostadas and dip, which is butternut squash, pepita gremolata, chili oil, and jalapeno. It's gorgeous. Here's a photo. How does one eat this?
I just make it into straight up tostada. We're trying to go to all three of her restaurants. And we're trying to creepily
Meet her. Actually, don't know.
She, I guess, shows up just at random times.
Right, and
They love her.
Right.
Staff loves her. It's always good. Mm-hmm. And like I said, well, when your boss walks in, you don't get nervous. They're like, no, they're happy to see her. That's always a good sign.
This is delicious.
Sweet.
Hearty. It kind of tastes like
Tangy.
fall.
I want this. Homemade tortillas.
Cilantro. It does. It tastes like a fall. This is really good. Spicy.
Really good.
This restaurant's gorgeous.
I always try to go early. You'll get a reservation. If you go early. I mean, go on a non-weekend, you'll get in.
$14 for this. Very delicious.
If you have any dietary concerns, they ask you to start. The atmosphere's very nice.
I like it. It's very comfortable. But that was the same thing about Young Joni. Very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Well, Young
Warm.
Joni, but I meant Pizzeria Lola.
And Young Joni's warm too. Nice and cozy.
Okay. We'll be back with the next thing we're gonna eat.
There's 3 sections in the menu: snacks, specialties, and plates. So we did 1 snack out of it, and there's 5 to offer. And then specialties, there's 5 to offer, and we got the Korean pork taco. It has
Korean pork tacos, gochujang, fermented black bean, pineapple, onion, cilantro, and guacamole.
She makes her fresh tortillas here.
It's a little strong for me, but I didn't get any pineapple, and I actually think that's gonna help a lot. And the lime.
I'm all about it.
I knew you would be.
All about it.
It is
Taste the tortilla
oh, the tortilla.
is excellent, isn't it? Right? Right?
With the pineapple and the lime. That gochujang, I'm not I'm usually a little bit afraid of Korean food, mostly because of gochujang. It's spicy, and it's a really pungent flavor.
I love it. Delicious. Thank you. It's delicious.
The addition of the pineapple and lime really helped me. It's really a great combination. My mouth is on fire all the way to the back of my sinus cavity.
It's not that kind of it's a subtle heat.
It permeated.
It won't like make your lips hot. Not like that.
It's like when you get a freezy headache, but it's with spice.
God, it's good.
It's really good. It's like an elegant food combination. So we were talking about the menu. There's 13 items on the menu. And that, I think, is a huge deal for quality food. If you go somewhere that only has 13 items, then you're almost certainly going to get a good meal, because what can they screw up? You know? You go somewhere that has 102 items. I'm not saying it might not be yummy, but you have a higher odds of it not being yummy. But it might be just comfort food, which has its own way. This is cool. This is good food.
This is delicious, Amy. Can't get enough of it. Oh my god, that's good. Yeah.
Oh, I'm a mess.
God damn, that's good, Amy. Wow. I like these little plates of food that come. Now we're gonna try like a main course, I think they call
It
it.
looks like galbi jim, Korean braised beef, gosu kimchi, salsa roja tortillas. Straight up, I am afraid of it. But I believe in Ann Kim. I believe in the chef here, and I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, I'll be back. God damn, that's good, Amy.